everyone, so let's solve question number 9 today. So first of all, what we will be doing in the left hand side is, we know a relationship between cosec A and sine of A. So what it is, cosec A is equals to 1 by sine of A, and the other over here, that is secant A is equals to 1 by cos of A. See, what I am trying to do is convert this whole in the terms of sine A and convert this whole in the terms of cos A, so that afterwards sine A and cos A have relation, that sine by cos is tan and cos by sine is cot. So we can get some sort of like this. So what I am doing is cosec to sine and secant to cos, so that we have only two terms in the left hand side. So if I do this, what I get is 1 by sine of A minus sine of A, and here secant A I am writing as 1 by cos of A minus cos of A is equals to, see, it will go here, we will be taking what? The LCM, and when we get this 1 minus sine square A divided by sine of A, 1 minus cos square A divided by cos of A. See what? This goes here and we get the common denominator. And we will do what? Multiply these two. You know how to multiply these two. Like first 1 with this and with this, then this with this and this. This is the simple maths which we have already studied. I will be writing 1 times 1 minus cos square A minus sine square A times 1 minus cos square A divided by sine of A cos of A. Now I will be elaborating these terms. 1 minus cos square A minus sine square A plus what? Cos square A sine square A divided by sine A cos A. Here also we will be using one property, that is the most easiest and common property, that is sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. I will be using it over here. See, I will be telling you how. So what we are left with is 1 minus cos square A plus sine square A plus sine square A cos square A divided by sine of A cos of A. And using the property, we know that cos square A plus sine square A is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what we get is sine square A cos square A divided by sine A cos A. One term gets cancelled out and what we get is sine A cos A. But what? In the right hand side we have the term, another term, that is in the right hand side we have 1 by tan of A plus cot of A. Now in the left hand side we have everything in the terms of sine and cos. What I will do, convert the right hand side into the terms of sine and cos. So I will write right hand side. So 1 by tan A is sine A by cos A, that is sine A by cos A, plus cot A is cos A by sine A. I hope now till now you remember these two. Tan A sine A by cos A and cot A cos A by sine A. And what I will do is 1 by this sine will go over here, we will get sine square A, plus this cos will go over here and we will get cos square A divided by, we have taken the LCM, so it is sine A cos A. Now again using sine square A plus cos square A over 1 over here, what we get is 1 divided by sine A cos of A, and this will go in the numerator and we get is sine A cos A. Clearly left hand side is equals to right hand side. I hope you have understood this. Bye bye.